Hi, I'm Chris from Diablo Dents. The video you're about to watch is a repair that was done on a Mercedes-Benz GLC. The client had the car for less than 6 months when some incident happened and caused some pretty severe damage to her door. She contacted her insurance company and directed her to a body shop, and they both suggested to replace the door and basically repaint the entire side of her brand new vehicle. She didn't want that done, so she researched paintless dent repair, contacted me. I looked at the vehicle and told her that there's a better solution to repainting and replacing that panel. So as you can see in the video you're about to watch, you'll see the steps and the beginning and the end and the overall finished project. Thanks for watching.